Today we'll be making sweet potato puree, especially suitable for babies who are 6 months and above of age. I recommend serving this puree together with some porridge to ensure that your baby gets all the nutrition he or she needs. Here's what you need: about 7 sweet potatoes, approximately 2 teaspoons of unsalted butter, and some water. Now peel the sweet potatoes and set them aside. You'll have to eyeball and gauge how much water and butter is needed based on the number of sweet potatoes you are adding. Wash them under running water thoroughly. Before preparing the sweet potatoes, put some water to boil. We'll be steaming the potatoes, so boil about half a pot of water. Dice the sweet potato into chunks. I'm using an average size pot. Please chop the potatoes based on the size of the strainer and steamer you are using. Once the water is boiling, place the sweet potatoes to be steamed. Set a timer for about 10 minutes. Check and see if the sweet potatoes are soft and ready. If it is still hard, then add a few more minutes. If it's soft, then they are ready to be taken out. Leave the sweet potato out to cool for about 20 to 30 minutes before blending. Another important tip is to not throw away the water you used to boil the sweet potatoes. Save them and pour the water into the blender as you are making the puree. Water contains plenty of nutrients from the sweet potatoes, and throwing it will be a total waste. Add in about 2 teaspoons of unsalted butter into the blender. Add in some water that was previously kept aside. Start blending the sweet potatoes. You will have to constantly stop and mix the ingredients to ensure that everything gets blended properly. Add more water if needed. Sweet potatoes are a good source of vitamin A. It has lots of fiber and it's packed with calcium to give your baby strong bones. Once you have achieved the consistency that you like, now place the puree into these trays and keep them into the freezer. The freeze puree cubes can be stored for up to 3 months in the freezer. This is a very useful addition to your baby's food rotation. I usually mix this sweet potato puree with some chicken and rice porridge along with some avocado puree. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.